Hey guys, it's Dan here with part 4 of the Dead Space 2 engineering helmet build. This is the lighting video. I'm going to show you the techniques I used for lighting this up, and you'll see all the reasons why I do stuff. Let's get to the build. I have this LED strip that is RGB, red, green, and blue, and it lights up with 4 different colors, red, green, blue, and white. And I'm just using the blue line on this because I don't have any blue LED strips, and it's just cheaper to use what I already have. And I'm soldering up wires so I can make it so that it just fits in different panels. Since there's 3 panels on the front of the mask, I'm going to lay 3 different strips of LEDs across it, and that's going to illuminate the material that's going to glow eventually in the helmet.
Oops. Now you just repeat that multiple times.
I'm putting heat shrink tubing around the wires and around this switch, so that way it's more durable and it's harder for it to break when it's being messed around with. Sorry about this back angle. So what you're trying to see is me gluing this in properly, and the angle I chose for the camera really wasn't that good. But to be honest, all I'm doing is just putting hot glue in certain areas and making it so that the lights line up in the center of each of those bars on the front of the mask, so that way it sort of illuminates evenly the entire foam that I'm going to have in there that's going to light up.
Okay, so weird thing about this is in the movie he doesn't technically have to see through it, and with how small I made this, it actually doesn't have enough room for lenses in it to see through fully. So this packing material that I've got from a package is going to be the thing that illuminates. So as you can see, it's going to be a blue glow, and it's going to be hard to see. You can see shapes through this, but you can't see definition. So I'm going to glue this in. I'm not going to record that because it's just going to be just as annoying to see as the last clip you just saw. But it's just going to be a couple points of hot glue, and then I'm going to try it on for you guys.
Okay, so some things to note about this build. The guy I'm making this for, who's going to be linked in the description, and once his video's up, I'm going to link that too. He doesn't necessarily have to see out of it. It's just a prop that's going to be used in the movie. So this foam I have in here, you can see shapes, for sure. And when it's light outside, you can see where stuff is. I was able to, while wearing this, walk over through this basement, press record on my phone, walk back, get in frame, and do that silly shot where I was dancing with the helmet on, and then walk back and turn it off. So I'm able to see and navigate, but you really can't see any definition. It's just like a block of blur for each individual object. So you can see there's blue here, you can see there's a foam rectangle. But as far as what the movie needs, that's totally fine. And like I said previously, it's because I made this so it's actually really pretty small, and there's not enough room for an actual lens system like in, well, there's no videos of it, but I also made Star Wars helmets a couple years ago, and they have light up lenses you can see through perfectly. You can see through them perfectly, and they light up and glow, but there's not enough room in here. It would just like be inside your face. So if I made a bigger one, potentially, yeah, it would be totally great, but that's not needed in this. So other things to talk about, I think it works amazingly. Looks like metal to me, it looks weathered, and it goes on pretty easily. So, yep, this build video is over. I'm going to link in the description the guy's channel who this is going over to. And then once the video's out, I'm probably going to make a small video saying, hey, this video's out, you should watch it. And it'll be cool. 2 thumbs. Hey guys, thanks again for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like. Leave a comment below about something else you want to see me make, or something about Dead Space 2, because I've never played the game. If you want to see one of my other videos where I make something, I got videos over here. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe over here, wherever that is. Subscribing really helps, and commenting really helps, because it lets YouTube know that you like this video and that you want to see more of my videos. So, we'll see you next time with another build. And until then, this is Dan Wiggins.